All right. Yesterday, market crash. NASDAQ composite, which, hey, is filled with all the companies, every single company that trades on the NASDAQ exchange down over 4%. Our stocks down, hammered 10, 15, 20, 25%. Our portfolios down 10%. What should you do? Should you sell? Should you hold? Should you buy more? Well, this video, I'm going to tell you what my opinion is and why. All right. Well, I believe you should buy more. And remember, this channel is opinion, not advice. So if you choose to take this, it's your responsibility. You're in control. Here's why. All right. At least for our companies. And remember, we focus on disruption, growth, Fourth Industrial Revolution, Industry 4.0, America 2.0 stocks. Anything that I'm saying is solely to do with those kinds of stocks, not to do with all the other stocks. So I'm focused just on our kinds of stocks. So when I look at our stocks, I have to say these three things make me say that you should buy. And watch the video from yesterday that Amber and I did as to how to go about doing your buying. All right. So here are the three reasons why I believe this is a buying moment. All right. One, when you go look at our companies, they've got cash. In fact, I was doing some analysis on Twitter, and I did the analysis for 3D Systems, ticker symbol DDD. This company has over $746 million worth of cash, and it represents 56% of their stock market value. 56%, folks, is a huge number. A normal number would be like a few percent, 3 or 4 or 5%. 56% tells you that this stock has been trash, has been dumped. And you know what? Sometimes that's fair. You know, a stock that's no longer growing, that's going to die out, you know what? It will trade for a very high percent of cash. But 3D Systems, folks, is growing. They also reported yesterday that for their continuing businesses, they sold a bunch of businesses last year. So you have to do a little bit of understanding of their accounts to understand that they're still growing. They grew by 10% last year. 10% last year. Remember, there's a lot of companies that trade in the stock market that don't grow by 10% over many, many years. So 10% for 3D Systems is a big number. And they also are telling you that they are seeing more and more business come their way. And that was in their management commentary. So those are two things that you would not normally see together, which is a company with this much cash that is actually growing, and where their technology, their product, their service, their management, and the numbers are telling you they're growing. And third, when you go and look at this company, it just looks cheap. I mean, the stock is under $10. It trades for, after you take out the cash and you look at the value of the company, I told you it has $746 million, and then the entire company is only worth like about 1.1 billion. It trades for less than 1 times its sales. So in other words, if you take the cash and you add up the sales, you're essentially getting every year of growth, or if it's staying in business in the future, for free. And you can do this kind of analysis for company after company after company across our portfolios. Plug Power reported recently, and they had very similar kind of analysis. STEM, which is a company that makes software to manage batteries and storage on the grid, storage systems. They reported, and it was same set of circumstances, a ton of cash, sales growing, very cheap stock if you're looking into the growth that is coming into the future. So that's what I would tell you to do, which is that, yep, it's terrible that the prices have crashed, but nonetheless, you know, this is why so few people make money in the stock market. We love the ups, we hate the downs, we sell at lows and we buy back at highs. And we got to reverse that. You got to buy at the lows to be able to make money. And then you can sell some at the highs and make some money. So bottom line, yep, the market's definitely very tough, very difficult. Nonetheless, in my judgment, in my opinion, this is the single best opportunity you've had to buy into our stocks in many, many years now. And I've laid out why that's the case. Our companies are cash rich, they're growth rich, and they're dirt cheap. And all it will take is a little bit of demand to send them rocketing up to the moon. I am bullish. I am optimistic. I am positive. I say strong hands, diamond hands. Come back next week for another video if you liked this one. This is Paul saying bye.